morning. This video is going to show you how to set up a Zoom meeting, make it a recurring meeting, and also how to share this on your student learning template. So I'm going to first go to zoom.us, or I can go through Clever. Doesn't matter. Both will take you to the same place. I'm going to access my account, and I'm going to click Meetings. To create a meeting, I'm going to click Schedule a Meeting, and I can call this, whatever I'd like to call it, maybe by grade, or I would just maybe call it my subject or Miss Comegee's meeting, whatever the case may be. I could put a description if I'd like. I can go down here and set up times, but I'm not going to worry about that because I'm going to make this a recurring meeting. So whenever I start this meeting, and as long as my students and I are clicking the same link, we'll both be brought to the same meeting. So by making it recurring, I can use this link as frequently as I'd like, as often as I'd like, and whenever I'd like. Time and date are really irrelevant. So right here it says recurrence. I'm going to change this to no fixed time. That means I can use this link whenever I want, as long as students and I click the same link, we'll both be accessing the same meeting. Okay, I'm going to turn on my video. I'm going to leave it off initially and let the kids turn it on, or if I'd like to just have it automatically set up where it asks the kids to turn on their video, I can turn this on. For audio, I'm going to allow telephone and computer. I'm going to make sure that this box is not checked. This box is already checked. And I'm going to make sure this box right here, automatically recording on my local computer, is set up. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that box is checked. And I'm going to click Save. Now I have a link that looks like this. I have my settings so that my password can be embedded in the link, so it's a one-click access, and I know that because it says PWD equals, so the password's embedded right here in this link. So I can take this link right here and copy it and paste it in my student learning template. So when I go to my student learning template, I can click on the word Zoom link. Oops. I can click on the word Zoom link. I can click the paper-click or right-click it and paste my link in. And now whenever students and I click on this link right here, and I can make it bigger if I want, I can change the color if I need to. Whenever students and I click on this same link right here, we'll both be brought to the meeting. If I needed to share the meeting ID and password, I can also do that. So if I click copy invitation, so if for some reason parents are using a mobile device or they're requesting the passcode because that one link access isn't working for them, you can find that information right here. So if I click copy invitation and I highlight this right here, I can copy this as well. So it's not a terrible idea to include this information on your student learning template just as a backup. Like I said, sometimes for those mobile devices, that one-click access doesn't seem to be working for everybody. So I can put the meeting ID and passcode right here. Now, because I made this link reoccurring, I could use this link over and over and over. So I can copy the link and I can go down to the next day, again, hover over, or excuse me, highlight the words, click the link, delete what was in there if it was somebody else's link, click paste and apply, and now I have that information on that slide as well. So I highly recommend you do the recurring link just because it relieves that headache of having tons and tons of Zoom sessions scheduled, and also the ability to maybe click on the wrong link. I also encourage you to click on the same link that you're asking students to click on. So when this meeting is ready to start, so on Friday morning when I want my students to log into this meeting, I'm going to click on this same link that I'm asking students to click on. When I click on this link, it's going to know that I'm the host of the meeting, or it's going to ask me, are you the host? And I'm going to say sign in. And once I sign in using that link and my students are using the same link, we'll both be brought to the same meeting. Please let me know if you have any questions.